Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a shopping haul and it's another collab video with Jessica MyRose. So if you want to know what I got, then keep on watching. Okay, so today I have a small shopping haul for you guys. And it's more just a little bit of everything, a little bit of makeup, a little bit of lifestyle. Yeah, first off, I just want to say thank you so much to Jessica MyRose. She is the host of this collaboration. We do this around every other month or so. If you're a fellow creator, I suggest you join this collaboration. It's very fun, it's very laid back, but it's a chance to kind of share what types of items are out there that you've recently hauled and possibly even on sale, right? I love seeing what people got when they shop. And it usually inspires me to buy the same thing. So first off, I've been talking about this all over my social media, the Ilia lipsticks. I did a swatch of all of Ilia's hydrating lip tints and they look like this. I'll link the video over here, but when I did the video, I had a sample of all the lip colors. So if you're interested to see kind of how it looks on my skin tone, then definitely check out that video. At the end of that video, I decided on my top 2 favorites and I ended up getting 2 colors, the Runaway and Memoir. So these are the 2 colors from Ilia. You guys know I'm not the biggest person when it comes to like lip balms, but this one, there's something special about it, and that's the fact that it's also a tint. So if you guys are familiar with how lipstick tints work, it just kind of gives you a very light wash of color, and that's what it does. Unlike any other lip balms that kind of disappear in an instant pretty much and just leaves you that oily residue, this one does not do that. So the longer it stays on your lips, the more it is hydrating, but basically you're left with a very nice tint of whatever color you chose. So I love that. So it just lasts longer than a typical lip balm. This color I have right now is in the color Memoir. So it looks like this right here, and the bullet pretty much looks like this. It's like a flat lip balmy bullet. I love the packaging. And then this one is Runaway. This is Runaway right there, and that's the color. Both of them are so pretty. Let me go ahead and do a side-by-side swatch for you so you can kind of tell how different they are. They're kind of similar, right? Similar in shade, but one is darker than the other. This one is Memoir, and it's more shiny and balmy than this one. This one is more opaque, the Runaway. And actually this one has a more brownie undertone and this one has a pinky undertone. I highly recommend, and I barely recommend lip balms on my channel, so guys, check out Ilia hydrating lip balms. So while I was in Vegas, it was like around the 4th of July, bathandbodyworks of course had their sale. I usually don't like shopping when I'm on vacation because I think everything there is like tourist spots, super expensive and overpriced items. But at the time, I remember that we had run out of hand soap. And so when I saw that the Bath & Body Works hand soaps were on sale, I just had to. So I got a couple of new scents that I've never really tried. This pink lemonade right here. And this is like the foamy hand soap. I also got the Bright Summer Days gel hand soap. This one smells really good, kind of like a lavender. For this one, the notes are coconut milk, sunny starfruit, and warm sand. For the pink lemonade one, it has the fragrance notes are strawberry, puree, tart lemonade, and pink sugar crystals. Smells really good. And I've already opened 2 of them, guys. I've opened this one, the Island Papaya, and the Bright Summer Days already. I've opened them in my bathrooms. The Island Papaya fragrance notes are tropical coconut, fresh papaya, and sugar cane. So all very sweet, bright fragrances. The last scent is called Beach Bliss. By the way, the soaps are made with vitamin E, shea extract, aloe, and essential oils. And the fragrance notes for this is ocean breeze, water flowers, and creamy musk. I actually bought 2 of each of these, so a total of 8. They were like $2 at the time. I got a couple of hand lotions. I think these came out to be like $6 a piece instead of $15, or less. I feel like they were like $4. The Ultimate Hydrating Body Cream. This one is in cucumber melon. I love the packaging. Oh my gosh, so pretty. This one has shea butter and hyaluronic acid. This one only has hyaluronic acid. That's interesting. And again, it's a hydrating body cream. And they're both cucumber melon. I don't know, I was feeling the cucumber melons at that time. So love that. I got another cucumber melon and Summertime Surf 24-hour moisture body lotion. So this one has shea butter and vitamin E. Now I kind of wish I bought 2 of these because I would love to put this in my giveaway. Be on the lookout for that. So that's pretty much it from Bath and Body Works. Ooh, okay, I'm so excited to open this. I can't believe I totally forgot this. You know how after you come home from a trip, there's just so much to unpack, and I totally forgot that I even got this. This is the Macintosh Old Master Vincent van Gogh coffee mugs. So, oh my gosh. So every time my family and I go on a trip, my mom's only request is to get her a coffee mug from the place that we stayed at or from the place that we visited. So we went to visit the Getty Museum in LA as part of our continuation to our Vegas vacation, and it was beautiful there. I'll put some pictures over here, guys, but I really enjoyed that place. So it's kind of like a replica of Van Gogh painting, right? So I guess 2 of Van Gogh's famous and popular paintings, and this one is the Starry Night, and I think this one says Over the Moon, Over the Rhone. I'm not well versed in the arts, guys, but I can really appreciate them, and oh my gosh, I love these coffee mugs. So one is gonna be for me and the other is gonna be for my mom. This is what they look like in the box. Such a pretty packaging. I love it. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. I did buy 1 Bath and Body Works candle because they were on sale for like $10, and that is more than half off, guys. If you know, the Bath and Body Works candles actually went up. This is what it looks like, just plain pink, and it's iced dragon fruit iced tea, and it has pink dragon fruit, green tea, and fresh lemonade. You know what this reminded me of, and I think that's why I instantly bought this, is the Pinkalicious Pinkity drink or something from Starbucks, or maybe the dragon fruit one, the dragon fruit with coconut drink from Starbucks. That one smells exactly like this. The fragrance notes are tropical dragon fruit, vibrant green tea, lemonade, sweet coconut milk, and natural essential oils. Oh, smells so good. Now I want that drink. I also hauled, Nordstrom was having a half-yearly sale or something like that. I forgot what the sale is called, but basically very marked down prices. And so I got this cute little bag that says laughter is the best cosmetic. It's cute. I don't know how practical this bag is, but it came with the Benefit Gimme Brow, which I already own, and also the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. So it's a nice combo. It was the price of like the Gimme Brow for the 2, and this isn't like 100% full size because the full size brow pencil Precisely My Brow is this tall, so as you can see, but I figured this would be perfect for travel. So before I talk about the last item, which is kind of like a big purchase for me, this shirt here. Okay, I have to show you guys the design. Sweet Summertime, Small Town Apparel. She's one of my friends. Her name is Tiffany, and she recently opened up her business, and she makes amazing designs, personalized designs, from cups to t-shirts, everything in between. And what I love about her is she has an eye for design. She just has a good creative mind, and I love the styles that she has come out with. T-shirts, guys, are super soft. Her business is new. Please go ahead and support Tiffany from Small Town 6. Congratulations, Tiffany, and thank you for my shirt. I love it. The very last item, guys, is a splurge. Actually, this one is like a belated Mother's Day present. I wanted a bag, a Tory Burch bag, and at the time, the bag that I was eyeing wasn't on sale. And so I said, you know what, let's not buy anything till it goes on sale. Finally, it did, guys. Nordstrom's half yearly sale finally did it. And this one was on sale. And I love these bucket bags. And this is by Tory Burch. It has like that one color and then another color, orange here. And then look at the back. You've got the yellow, the brown strap, which I like that it's neutral. And then the back is green. And it's definitely like a color block style, and it's perfect for the summer, and I feel like this would go with any type of outfit. I've always wanted a messenger bag that's also a bucket bag. I forgot the name of the style of this bag, but I will link it down below. I've been loving carrying it this way and just letting the strap drag and it doesn't touch the floor, guys. It's so cute. I love the style. There's that Tory Burch logo right there, and a Tory Burch logo at the bottom, which kind of like irks me a little because I'm like, why is it there? Who's gonna see it, right? I wish it was like right here, big smack in the middle, because of the style of the bag. I feel like it can handle like a big Tory Burch logo, but again, it's okay. I kind of like that kind of mystery, right? When you're wearing this bag, and it's definitely like a statement piece too. And the best part, guys, is it's on sale. So if it's still on sale during the Nordstrom half yearly sale, definitely check it out. Check out the Nordstrom website, and I'll have the name of this bucket bag in the description box below. So that is everything, guys, that I've hauled. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxing here and there. Check out our every other month haul videos, and we also have a monthly favorites collab videos with our host Jessica MyRose. So I've been enjoying these types of videos. Comment down below if you like this type of video or not, or if you have any other video ideas, let me know. But I've just been loving sharing you guys what I love, my favorites, and also things that I've hauled. And yeah, I think this channel is evolving into something more than makeup. I kind of love that freedom to be able to do a video that I like, because I'm really not just about makeup. I have so many interests, guys. Things that I don't show here. Aside from skincare, I love clothing. I love decor. I love anything lifestyle. I love nice things. So if you guys like that kind of thing, please give this video a thumbs up. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.